Once again, welcome you all, guys and girls, my so beautiful daughters and sons. It is R.K. Sinha welcoming you all of HRS personnel and so many others, my friends, kids, whosoever it may be, of any part of the world or India, आपको बहुत बहुत प्रणाम। और आज शुभ बेला में मैंने इंजीनियर्स योग का टोटल 6 पार्ट मैं देने जा रहा हूँ। 4 मैंने कंप्लीट कर लिया, 3 पहले भी दिया था, उसको रिपीट भी कर दिया। 4 पार्ट मैंने दे दिया, 5वां पार्ट मैं दे रहा हूँ, 6ठा दूंगा। और इसके बाद ए लॉट ऑफ मोर आर स्टिल देयर। सो प्लीज subscribe the channel, push the bell for getting continuous reminder of new version of yoga. This type of yoga you are not going to find anywhere or any channel. This is a new version yoga explained by or invented by an engineer who is not only named as Master of Jugaad, Engineer Master of Jugaad, but also I have proved myself in during service period. Any damn problem whatsoever it may be with respect to heavy earth moving machineries can be solved with existing resources if you are having the reasoning, analytical power and junoon to do it. I did it and I have been rewarded by so many excellency awards by my superiors and other sister concerns, companies, etc. Even Russian company also appreciated my small innovation called as Jugaad. So, without wasting time, so welcome you all in part 5. Here I am going to explain you all that how to fill your middle portion of lungs with air. So we will inhale to fill the middle portion. That will compel the lungs to expand the chest in horizontal movement, as it like this, and we will exhale the air in a force. This is a part of Bhastrika, or you can say modified part of Bhastrika. So let us start 30 times in slow motion and 30 a little bit faster, that is medium motion, and 30 fastest mode, then again medium mode, and then slow mode. So to altogether 150 times will be there. And let me clear it here very well that I am telling you people, requesting you people to finish it with chanting of Ram and Sita. Gentlemen, if you are having any reservation, any problem in chanting Ram and Sita, don't take it otherwise. I am not telling it, I am not requesting it with the attitude of delivering lecture on Hindu Dharma, on Hindu epics, Ramayana, but I have considered the Ram as a broader sense. It is the word which can transform a dacoit into saint. The Ratnakar Daku became saint just chanting of Ram. Ram is the word which is known for राम राज्य, मीन्स सबका भरण पोषण। तो अपने पूरे अंगों का, इस छोटे से ब्रह्मांड का भरण पोषण राम के नाम से हो सकता है। सीता हल के नीचे का लोहा का टुकड़ा है, वो मिट्टी को उखाड़ने का, अर्थ को एक्सवेट करने का काम करती है। तो अपनी गंदगी को निकाल करके और उसके राम के नाम से साफ करना था। इफ़ यू आर हैविंग एनी रिजर्वेशन, आई एम वेरी सॉरी टू से दैट कि हमने आपको बोला चैंट करने के लिए, मत कीजिए। राम और सीता का नाम मत लीजिए अगर आपको कोई भी रिजर्वेशन, रेस्ट्रिक्शन है धार्मिक पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से। डोंट टेक इट, बट you do the physical way of this exercise. So एक बार फिर से हम आप लोगों से माफ़ी मांगते हुए, उनसे जो राम और सीता के नाम से रिजर्वेशन रखते हैं वो न ले, लेकिन इसे करें अवश्य। इस इंजीनियर योगा को आप जिस धर्म में हो, जिस देश में हो, जहाँ पर भी हो, एनी कंट्री ऑफ द वर्ल्ड, जिस भी रिलीजन से हो, एनी रिलीजियस इफ यू आर अबाइडिंग बाय, बट ओरिजिनली यू आर ह्यूमन बीइंग, एंड ए ह्यूमन बीइंग कैन गेट रिफॉर्म्ड, कैन गेट ए हेल्दी लाइफ by doing this engineers yoga. So come and join with me in part 5, that is expansion, horizontal expansion of your chest, means feeling of air in the middle lobe of your lungs. 30 30 30 30 30 altogether 150 in 3 speed, and that's all. So the mudra will be this is the mudra, that is अपान, समान, प्राण, उदान मुद्रा, उदान वायु मुद्रा. This is the उदान वायु मुद्रा. This is from heart to the upper portion of your body. Udan vayu mudra. So like this. So let us start. 30 times slow motion. Horizontal expansion of chest means feeling of middle lobe of your lungs. Medium. Slow, fast. Medium. Slow. Only those start chanting of Ram followed by Sitaram, those who are not having any reservation over it. If there is any provision, prohibition from your dharmic point of view, never do it. But do the physical exercise, do the breathing exercise, which just right now I finished the part 5th. So do it with Ram and Sita. I'm requesting you all with folded hand, don't take the meaning of Ram and Sita Ram in that context. So far as your completion of this yoga for the betterment of your health, for have a good life, medicine-free life, young and smart life, to bring happiness in your own courtyard, please do it without any dharna, anurag, etc. Take it in a neutral way. So start chanting of Ram. Ram, 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 Ram. Concentrate it here, here, here itself. Concentrate it. Ram, 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 Sitaram, 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 Sitaram. And now have 5 times Anulom Vilom Pranayam. For this will be the finger mode, and from thumb you close down the right side, and these 2 fingers will close down the left side. So take it, always start with left nostril. Make a cup, put it here, have a clockwise movement of 2 fingers by 2 fingers here also, and similar way as you did in previous one. Stretch your ears from the 3 parts of your ear full, and then have this. So this is all for part 5 is concerned. Now you move to part 6. Thank you all. Thank you beta.